Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming the essentials so the rest flows. Sign into your Google account, open Chrome or Edge, and allow microphone and notifications when prompted. Once done, visit Voice. Google. And choose whether to pick a new Google Voice number or port an existing number. You'll need ID and a payment method for porting. Make sure your system microphone works by testing in Settings. If it doesn't, restart the browser and recheck permissions before moving on. Now configure Voice so it behaves like a real phone. Open Settings and set your voicemail greeting, call screening, and ring options. These control how calls route and display. Next, link any forwarding phones so calls reach your mobile or desk lines. Use Do Not Disturb hours for focus times. If you prefer quick access, install the Google Voice web app or add it as a Chrome app. This keeps notifications reliable. Finally, test an outgoing and incoming call. Finish by using Voice daily. Place and receive calls, send SMS, and read voicemail transcriptions right in the web UI. Learn keyboard shortcuts and use the status menu to toggle availability. Filter your inbox to find messages fast. When sharing your number, check caller ID settings so calls display properly. If anything goes wrong, no audio notifications or failed calls, first refresh permissions, clear the browser cache, and then try a different browser. That single troubleshooting step resolves most connection and permission problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.